So, just arrived in Atlanta, but not really Atlanta, because we got to Atlanta and then we drove an hour and a half to Chipotle, where we ate lunch. I'm not sure where we are really. What's this place called? Chateau Elan. That's all we know so far, but brought my boy Max, who you may have seen in the way back playbacks. If you want to search into the YouTube history to 2 years ago, you might see this guy this way. I think he had some cameos. But Max is one of my best friends from a long time ago. He vacated New York, moved to Venice. Retired. He just bought Birkenstocks.
Oh, shut up, come on.
He's truly retired. And I have to bring a guest on this trip, but they thought it'd be Hannah, so Max and I are bunking in. It's gonna be pretty sick.
Not the first time.
Not the first time. That's what real friends do, people. But we are here with Ferrari. Whoa, we got the pool view. Spa out here. Came down here for the weekend. It's actually Saturday. Came here till Monday with Ferrari. They invited us down. We're going to check out a race at a track. We're going to drive some cars. We're going to take a car on our own. We're going to race with a pro around the track. It's going to be a quick 2 days. We're going to pack a lot in. And yeah, any words of wisdom, Max?
I'm going to drive my first Ferrari.
Oh yeah, this guy's not driven a Ferrari before. He owns 2 Jeeps.
2 Jeeps.
Double Jeep. Grand Cherokee and TJ?
91 YJ?
And a 91 YJ. Guys living the Ken and Barbie life in Venice.
If you know any Barbies.
If you know any Barbies. If any Barbies are available for a Ken, reach out to that guy. But we're gonna get into the weekend. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun. A couple martinis, a couple laps around the track. All right, let's get this going. Doing your classic pit walk right now. Checking out some of the cars that are going to be rolling around the track later. This guy's never had a track day before. Tomorrow we're going to get lessons in the morning and have a full track day driving around with a professional driver. This is crazy. Thank you, Ferrari. I'm excited.
That's all I got.
My dream. Whoa, that is a car. So loud. Okay, so we came out this morning, we saw the client race, Cliente. Pretty cool to go to the track, see that, see an old race car from 14 years ago rip the track, which was crazy loud, one of the winningest cars of all time. But now comes first of 2 fun parts. One, we got this car, the blue F8 Tributo. We're about to take this out, rip it around, get some shots for you guys, some drone footage. Got my security detail with me, and yeah, kind of warm up for tomorrow's events, which are professional race car driving lessons and a track day. But right now, let's get in this, check out some back roads in Georgia. Try not to get pulled over. Aha! So we're gonna drive, go get some lunch, and yeah, see what happens out here. This thing is serious. First thoughts on this thing after driving it half an hour to Gainesville, which if you're from Gainesville, shout out to you. We don't really know what's going on here, but this thing is a monster. Super fun. Actually not as loud as I expected with the engine right behind us, but it's got a beautiful hum to it. Blue might not be my #1 color of choice if I purchase this thing, but as we all know, I can't afford it. So I'll take the blue. I also love the Lusso, as you know. This might be my #2. two very different cars, but wow. So sick.
Great mission. Great mission. Great day. Was that fun?
Yeah, so good. One of the best parts about doing all this work, influencing, Instagram work, YouTube, is getting to share it with people that you love who never get to do this kind of stuff. So shout out to Max.
Making it sound like I never have any fun.
This guy never has fun. But no, this guy has a ton of fun. He runs a mailer called Mr. Spoils. I'm gonna link to it down here. You guys should all sign up. This guy is adventure driven. He's been in tuk-tuks across India. He's been on monkey bikes across Morocco. He's way cooler than I am. I'm just out here trying to look cool. He's actually doing the thing, so.
We just like the really cheap vehicles over here.
Yeah, but he's done some cool stuff. I'm still trying to get him to put these videos out. Are they ever coming out? This guy films everything and never one edit has made the light of day. But we're gonna convince him. All right, this was fun. We're gonna take this car back, get a quick bite, and then pack in the video till tomorrow for race day, where we're getting serious. So let's do it. We came,
gnarly.
we drove yesterday, but now it's getting serious. We are about to drive.
Max.
We're about to drive this thing on an autocross track. It's gonna loop around. We're about to do the same. It's about to be a lot of fun. Lessons, getting better at driving. This guy might be worse, TBD, but let's go. How'd you feel there, bud?
Holy shit.
You got a lot better by the end.
Wow.
Yeah, it looked great. Woo! Oh yeah.
Born ready?
I don't know about born ready, but it'll be fun. The demo. Oh yeah. Got it. Woo! Let's go. Wait a second.
You're fine?
Yeah. That, my friends, it's 150 miles an hour. You're gonna get up to like 90 today, right?
Oh, dude, I'm pushing to the limit until the guy's cursing me out of the passenger.
How's that?
Taking this off. All right, let's see what Brendan's got.
Try to be more gently shaking of the gas, gently. You're doing too quickly the on-off, One, it's like one, instead of bump, bump, bump. Where you want to go? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Good, good. going good. Look at the next cone. Look at the next cone. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Get it. Go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Go. Keep it going. Good job. Good job. Keep it going. Fantastic. Good job. All the way around. Go ahead and bring it on back. That was fantastic. Good job.
Good job. Thanks.
You got the hang of that?
You?
I think so.
Okay.
Oh yeah, the punch.
How sick was that? Yeah, this is so fun. So fun. Literal like a childhood dream.
I think there's a string attached from your wrist to your feet like a puppet. If we turn, okay, that wrist pulls our gas pedal foot back, okay? If we have the wheel in the car, our foot's stuck. We can only go to power if we open the wheel, because that'll allow that string to extend to put the gas pedal down, right?
I like that.
So if there's any
Got
questions
that?
on that one.
Shit's about to get real.
That's right. Let's see how we do out here. I'm ready.
Don't wait for the other.
Rolling on the power here. Down the brakes, down to third. Note on the steering wheel, the shift lights, right, in yellow. Lines you up here, gas off, we just coast here, right? Waiting to the apex. Rolling back on power there. All the way to the gas off side.
Yeah, did 120 miles an hour in a boat.
It's fast. Anything triple digits in a boat.
Yeah, it's scary. And your
like
face is just like rippling.
Yeah, doing
It's
that.
insane.
Yep.
Lift. Just follow the car in front. Just stay nice and close. Yep. This is perfect right here. Yep. Waiting. Just wait right here. Waiting. Wait for the signal. Wait. Okay. Go. Now lifting. Tracking out to the left. Okay, good. Aiming at the telephone pole. Gas off. Down to the left. More left. Staying to the left. Wrap this curbing. More left. Lifting. Roll down the hill. Rolling on the power. Go. Rolling on the power. Go.
It's tough to look at, like when you're like look ahead, I'm like, damn, I'm looking like right down.
Yeah, that's the trick, right? Your eyes want to say look 2 feet in front of the car.
Yeah.
But we have to look further ahead, because if we look further ahead, it makes the corner so much smoother. It also makes it so much easier.
Totally.
So that's just the disciplinary stuff that you won't learn in a day.
Yeah.
Right?
It's like you got to create the habit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good look.
Eh?
Look like a medieval peasant.
Yeah. Robin Hood Men in Tights. Damn, that was amazing. So it comes to an end. Max, Jake, Ferrari guys. Thanks guys.
Ciao.
Appreciate it.
Guys.
Now it's time for me to go on home. Let's see what's going on in New York with Corona.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good.
Thank you so much. All right.